Hey, it's Jen, and if you're looking for the perfect kitchen companion for yourself or for a gift, look no further than this 14-ounce Lodge pizza stone. I have personally had this beauty in my home for over a year now, and I couldn't love it more. I use it to cook the perfect pizza, pancakes. I use it for nachos. I use it to grill veggies. It's bomb on a barbecue, cool at a campfire. These handles make it super easy to handle, and most importantly, it's durable. And to be honest, its durability is the main reason I got this. I was just so tired of wasting money on ceramic stones that just kept breaking. So I ordered this cast iron stone, and it has exceeded my every expectation. And breaking is an issue that you won't have here. This Lodge cast iron stone heats quickly and evenly, it's non-stick, and it's super easy to clean. You just hand wash it, pat it dry, and rub it with a little oil to preserve. And it's proudly made in the USA. I love it, and I know you will too.